Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Sentra battery. First, gather your tools: a 10mm wrench, battery terminal brush, and a new battery. Safety is key, so wear protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your car is completely off and the parking brake is set before you begin. This ensures a safe and smooth replacement process. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Always start with the negative terminal, which has a minus sign. Use your wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the cable. After that, move to the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign. Loosen and remove that cable as well. Remember, negative first, then positive, to prevent electrical shorts. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY tips. And speaking of staying powered up, remember to stay hydrated while working on your car. A quick recommendation: check out the Oala water bottle. It's perfect for keeping your fluids handy. You can find the link and other deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. With the cables off, it's time to remove the old battery. Unfasten the hold-down clamp that secures it in place. Be careful, as car batteries are quite heavy. Lift it out slowly. Now, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the cable terminals. A clean connection ensures optimal performance for your new battery. Now for the new battery installation. Carefully place your new battery into the clean tray. Make sure it sits snugly. Connect the positive cable first, tightening it securely with your wrench. Then, connect the negative cable, ensuring it's also tight. Double-check both connections to prevent any looseness, which can cause issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.